today's video, I'll be showing you how to withdraw money from Prizepicks to PayPal. Now this can be done with any device, so it doesn't actually matter whether you're on the Prizepicks website or on the Prizepicks app. But to start with, you want to head over to Prizepicks and log in. And if you're on PC, you can find the login button in the top right corner. From there, you'll be logged into your account, and if we go up to the top right corner, you should be able to see your balance here. And as long as you do have an amount in there which can be withdrawn, we can go to this profile icon up here, and then down to request withdrawal. Now when you click on that, you'll see a page that looks something like this, and as long as you have completed the play for amount, you will be able to actually withdraw. So when you are eligible to withdraw, you'll have a few different ways in which you can withdraw money, and one of them is actually PayPal. So in order to withdraw to PayPal, you can simply choose PayPal as your withdrawal method, and then you can type in your PayPal email, and then choose to withdraw it. If you then go to your withdrawal history, you'll be able to see a page that looks like this, and it will say the date that you withdrew, the amount you're trying to withdraw, as well as the method, which will be PayPal. From there, it will say that your withdrawal has been a success, and you'll receive the money in your PayPal account not long after. So that's how you can withdraw money from Prizepicks over to PayPal. I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.